Most people think getting older means slowing down. However, Richard Morgan, a 93-year-old Irishman, didn't get that memo. At an age when many rely on walkers, he's outpacing men half his age with strength and balance. Most people lose decades earlier. What's his secret? It's not luck or perfect genes. It's a consistent movement and smart recovery. In this video, I'll walk you through research-backed exercises that help prevent age-related muscle loss, plus the nutrients your body needs to repair and rebuild stronger. These strategies are simple, effective, and proven to help you stay active, steady, and independent, no matter your age or fitness level. By age 70, most people have lost over 30% of their muscle mass, making simple movements harder and falls more likely. But here's the good news. Muscle knows no age, as Barbara O'Neill puts it. If you train them right, your muscles will respond, whether you're 50, 70, or 90. 1. Core strength. A weak core isn't just about posture. It's often the hidden reason for back pain, poor balance, and that slow, stooped walk many people develop with age. Forget crunches or floor planks if you're just getting started. Begin with a wall plank. It's safer, joint-friendly, and still activates your deep core stabilizers. Here's how it's done. Stand facing a wall. Place your forearms against it at shoulder height. Step your feet back until your body forms a straight line. Engage your core and hold for 30 seconds. Too easy? Level up to a sofa plank, then eventually to a knee plank on the floor as your strength improves. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment, just consistency. This isn't about abs. It's about building the core strength that prevents falls, eases pressure on your spine, and keeps you walking tall. 2. Upper body power. With age, your shoulders roll forward and your back curves, not just from time, but from underused muscles. This posture not only looks older, it throws off your balance and strains your joints. Your best solution? Rows and wall push-ups are done at home with no special gear. Start with bent over rows, using 2 water bottles or bags of rice. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Hinge forward from the hips, keeping your back flat. Pull the weights toward your lower ribs while squeezing your shoulder blades. Do this 10 to 15 reps. Next, do wall push-ups. Hands shoulder height on a wall, feet stepped back slightly. Lower your chest to the wall, then push away. Comment stronger in the comments section if you are getting value from this video. 3. Lower body strength. Your legs contain the largest muscles. When they weaken, your mobility and independence disappear. Your first line of defense should be an exercise called chair squats. Position a sturdy chair behind you, feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself until you barely touch the seat. Then push through your heels to stand. Keep your chest up and spine straight. This single exercise strengthens every major muscle in your legs. Next, the glute bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent, press your heels down, and lift your hips until your shoulders, hips, and knees form a straight line. Hold briefly, then lower with control. The motion activates your glutes and hamstrings, crucial muscles for climbing stairs and maintaining stability. Don't forget heel raises. Stand tall, rise to the balls of your feet, hold briefly, then lower. This seemingly simple movement strengthens your calves, which act as your body's second heart, by helping push blood back up from your legs, preventing swelling and circulation problems. 4. Heart conditioning. Strong muscles are useless without a strong heart to fuel them. The solution? Get moving daily, but do it smart. Just 30 minutes of walking, swimming, or dancing can boost circulation, increase stamina, and keep your heart working efficiently. Try rebounding on a mini trampoline for improved results and reduced wear and tear. Each gentle bounce works your heart and stimulates your inner ear's vestibular system, your body's built-in balance control. This combo improves coordination and cuts fall risk in older adults. Not a fan of bouncing? That's fine. Just choose what you enjoy and do it regularly. Even 10 minutes a day can start to rebuild your cardiovascular health and support the muscles you're working so hard to maintain. 5. Nutrients to rebuild stronger. Exercise without proper nutrition is like building a house without materials. After 50, your body needs specific nutrients to recover and strengthen. Protein is non-negotiable. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams per meal from eggs, fish, lean meats, or plant sources. Protein consumption prevents sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that accelerates after 50. Calcium and vitamin D work together for bone health. Dairy, leafy greens, and 15 minutes of morning sunlight each day keep your framework solid. Omega-3s from fatty fish, magnesium from nuts and seeds, and antioxidants from colorful vegetables fight inflammation and speed recovery. As people age, their levels of CoQ10 naturally decline. However, they are necessary for the production of muscle energy. Think about including them in meat, nuts, and fish. Richard Morgan started exercising at 70 and now has the muscle composition of someone in their 30s. His story isn't exceptional. It's available for anyone willing to start today. Your body is designed to remain strong throughout your life. If you found this video useful, I recommend watching the video that just appeared on your screen. You will learn natural solutions to health issues that may arise as you age. And as usual, I wish you excellent health and happiness.